Drink up, little one. You're growing so fast. Look at those eyelashes.
An enormous tundra, stretching endlessly, filled with thousands.
Keep the tractor moving slowly, Character B.
Copy that. Levels look good on Trough 3.
Gigantic hangar-like shelters protect herds during blizzards. Warm lamps illuminate clouds of breath vapor rising from resting mammoths.
Whoop! Keep them moving now. Whoop, whoop! Oh, there.
Moving to Sector 4. How are the readings?
Stable. Looks healthy.
Giant fur tufts blow across snowy plains as mammoths shed winter coats. Workers fur.
Infrared drones track woolly mammoths glowing warm against icy terrain. Aurora lights shimmer overhead.
The readings here look stable, within tolerance. There.
Confirmed on the tablet, we can proceed to the next section. All right, bring it up slowly. Watch the alignment on the left side.
Here you are, lad. The finest mammoth roast in the land.
Thank you, it looks incredible.